Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Khairul Fahmi bin Hari. So today, our group want to present assignment vehicle engine, which is VTEC Honda system. Okay, for the introduction, although he's been called many things, VTEC acronym stand for the Variable Valve Timing and Leaf Electronic Control. The first production Honda that featured this technology was Honda Integra XSI. It can be shown in a second generation Integra that was introduced in April 1989, featured the first VTEC engine ever manufactured by Honda. Then, Honda continued to improve the original VTEC system that evolved into Honda iVTEC that we introduced in 2001. So, iVTEC stands for the Intelligent Variable Timing and Leaf Electronically Controlled. Is a system that combines VTEC and VTC into one unit. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, so here is my part. My name is Iqmal Hakimi bin Abdul Jalil. For the theory of operation for VTEC Honda is, first of all, is helps generate more horsepower. Secondly is VTEC adjusts oil pressure to switch between cam profiles, which is provides for increased valve lift at higher engine speeds, allowing more air into the cylinder. And thirdly is VTEC engines have two rocker arms for each cylinder, each with its own low profile cam and a central rocker arm with its own high profile cam, which is useless at low RPMs. A piston inside the rocker is compressed with oil as the engine speed rises, locking all three cams together to improve valve lift. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nabi. I will continue the presentation about the system function and system components. So firstly, the ECU controls the switching action between two cam loops. The method is achieved by alternating efficient cams and high performance cams based on speed, load and engine RPM. A solenoid is activated, allowing the rocker arm on the high performance cam to engage. The valve then opens and closes in comply with the high lift profile, opening the valve wider and for a longer period of time. This allows more air and fuel to enter and burn, creating stronger torque and horsepower. Next, we move on to the system component. The system component consists of outer rocker arm, center rocker arm, intake valve, exhaust valve, efficient cam lobe, high performance cam lobes, and solenoid. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Khairul Naim. I will continue with the advantages and disadvantages of the VTEC system. For the advantages, first, it's increase the volumetric efficiency of the engine. Then the system will make the engine have more flat torque curve and consistently produce power. This system also have a higher peak horsepower, and the fuel consumption almost same with other similar displacement engine on low RPM as because of smaller lift and duration of cam loop was used. Because of the higher power, it will increase power to weight ratio of the car. Then for the disadvantages, because of the more complex mechanical part was added to the engine, the cost of producing and maintenance is costly. Then because of the VTEC is high revving engine, it have a shorter life. That's all. Thank you.
My name is Ahmad Syakir Hakimi, and I will continue with a discussion and improvement. Honda variable timing and lift electronic control is the one of the most advanced, which is amateur mechanics have a hard time determining where to begin making changes. One of the main limitations that a gas engine deals with relates to valve timing. The configurations for valve operation that yield good performance at low engine RPMs aren't sufficient at high RPMs and vice versa. This is a VTEC modification for improvement. So the first thing is the software modification. It is a great way to customize performance. Next, VTEC engage and disengage based on our engine's RPMs. Thus, this will make the engine more aggressive cam profile, active lower in the operating range, which can help make more power. But keep that in mind. Operating the engine at faster than the manufacturer's recommended speed may cause severe damage to the engine's internal components. Next is hardware modifications. Okay, generally more expensive and intrusive than changes to the software, but offer more drastic changes in performance. Okay, but next, the stock Honda camshafts very versatile and effective, also geared to the optimizing drivability for an average car owner. Okay, next, a variety of different tuner houses offer modified camshafts in several different varieties which tweak timing and increase lift and duration, which is upgraded lifters, springs, and valve. Okay, with the upgraded lifters result in a crisper opening of the valve which increase the amount of time air and has to flow into the engine. With upgraded valve springs respond during high RPM operation. Last but not least, for the conclusion, VTEC system possesses two cam low profile which will have a lower cam lift on low RPM and activate high cam low on high RPM. A VTEC system is an advanced VTEC system with a variable valve timing system which will adjust valve opening to the desired full air mixture for a better engine performance. Okay, thank you. That's all from me.